Hi, welcome to Lily's Toy Box, and today you'll be cooking with me. Yeah, this is an easy recipe, sorta. It's called bird's nest cookies or cupcakes. Some people call them haystack cookies. Anyway, that's not really the big point of it. They're perfect for Easter. So, we use these chow noodles, which will be like the bird's nest, peanut butter, butterscotch chocolate chips, even though it's butterscotch, so it's not really chocolate, and then regular milk chocolate chips. And at the very end, once we have them all finished up, some spice to it, jelly beans. So yeah, we'll have these as like the little eggs. And then we got a pan. So let's get started. Okay, so we will be pouring in a bag of this, cup of peanut butter into a pot. I'm doing this for a little bit of a cool little look, I guess you could say. Okay, gone. Gone. Oh, nope, one more. You know what? We're just gonna forget about that. Then we also got this cup of peanut butter.
Half a cup.
Half a cup. Half a cup. Don't do a cup. This is not really coming out very well.
That's good, because you're gonna melt it.
Oh yeah.
Then you're gonna put this on the stove with a parent's help if needed, until it's all melted and nice and creamy. Okay, it's been on there for just a few minutes, getting a little bit moist. Have to keep stirring on the bottom real good so it doesn't burn.
You might want to use a bigger pan, because then you have a little bit more room to get these down to the bottom with. Okay, so once it's all creamy, which it is, yummy with chocolates, then you're gonna start adding in your noodles cup by cup, kind of like step by step.
And go ahead and turn the heat off as well, so we don't keep cooking it.
Then you can stir it up.
Get them all covered. Okay, so that's about 3 cups, a little bit more. We're gonna try to get 4 cups in. Keep stirring and adding as you go.
Don't quit on me, noodles. Okay, so it's off the stove now, because it's fully cooked, kind of. I guess you could say that. Well, anyway, enough with my weird wordplay. There's 2 different ways you could do this. One, you could put it in a muffin tin, but you might want to spray it first, so that then it won't get stuck. And 2, you can put a cookie sheet liner in like a tin. We use it to put like oatmeal and all.
So we have like parchment paper so it won't stick to the tin. So you'll take a spoonful and dip it in a muffin tin.
Hurriedly.
Yeah, it will start drying on you.
This is intense.
So we're kind of hollowing, well, not really hollowing out, but making a little spot in the center where we'll put the little
Egglets.
eggs, which are jelly beans. So I think they turned out pretty good. So you do this until you are out, and then you're gonna set it in the fridge for a little while.
If you don't have a muffin tin, this is how you will do it. This one didn't turn out as well. I vote on the muffin tin.
And now we wait.
Okay, so they just came out from the fridge, and we waited for like 30 minutes. And so, basically, to get one out, you have to like pry and like push down. But this is one from the cupcake line, like the box. And then these are the ones that we made with these. So, the one from these right here, that batch, it came out pretty easy, like whenever you go to scoop it up. These are pretty hard. But you will have to like push down and then pry it to get up. Now we got the eggs. Oh. Wow, there's not really.
Lots of babies.
But
So you can decorate the nest with like little bird eggs. You can use jelly beans. You could use the Cadbury mini eggs.
you can use these little Whopper Robin eggs.
Yeah, Whopper eggs. Those would be cute. Or you could have peeps if you wanted.
These are a little bit smaller though. It's pretty good if you just want some as like a little snack. And these are a little bit bigger. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.